Presenting Redmi 9A that comes with multi-touch capacitive touchscreen. The phone comes in midnight black, nature green and sea blue colors. Redmi 9A is available in two variants, 2GB RAM plus 32GB storage and 3GB RAM plus 32GB storage. The memory is expandable up to 512GB in both the variants. The phone comes with dual SIM and a dedicated SD card slot. Redmi 9A has a 6.53-inch HD Plus display with a 20:9 aspect ratio for an immersive viewing experience. With 1600 by 720 pixels resolution and 268 ppi pixel density, the phone delivers rich details and clarity. The phone also comes with ambient light sensor and proximity sensor. Redmi 9A comes with a 13-megapixel AI rear camera along with a 5-megapixel front camera. Powered by Android V10 operating system with MediaTek Helio G25 Octa-core processor, this phone allows for seamless multitasking. Redmi 9A comes with a 5000 mAh battery with 10 watts wired charger. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card and user guide. The product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.